Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Uber is now expanding their services so you as a driver can make more money. Uber is paying their drivers more. You want to read this one? By Julian Minana. This is in our Facebook group, guys. Want to make sure you join this. Link in bio.
So he said, great news, Uber update his vehicle criteria and now maybe your vehicle can do comfort rides or even better, premier rides. I have a 2018 Kia Niro hybrid touring.
I heard Kias are like the worst cars ever.
What?
I'm just kidding because I know you drive a Kia.
Yeah, no, my car has really good gas mileage.
What year do you have it?
2020.
Oh, well, yeah, that's why. It's a new car. But it's more expensive, though, than a cheaper car. Or a used car, I mean.
Oh. Yeah.
So you're getting a trade-off where you're paying more for the car, but your gas mileage is better.
Yeah.
But didn't you say your car's like pretty cheap anyway?
Yeah, it's not that much.
Yeah, it's you got a nice situation going there. How many gas mileage do you get?
I think it's like...
Is it a hybrid?
No. I think it's like 33.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, mine's like 10. I get like 10 miles a gallon.
What the heck?
Yeah, and less if I go fast. So sometimes I try not to go that fast, especially if I have to go to like LA.
Oh.
Like yesterday, I'm on the freeway, like driving like I'm going like 65 the whole way because I'm trying not to like use too much gas.
Do you have cruise control?
Well, you can't use cruise control in LA. Like, there's so much traffic.
Okay, yeah, I guess, yeah, there's traffic, but...
The only time I was able to do that is on the way back because I drove back at like midnight.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I was just driving like slow. Like I was trying to go like... I was trying not to go like too fast, basically.
Yeah.
But anyways, so... What?
I said, oh, okay.
Thank you. Thanks for that. Yeah, thanks for that contribution to my conversation. Okay, so now they have Comfort, Connect, Deliveries, Uber Green, Uber Pet. What the actual is Uber Pet? Guys, they're trying to milk you for all the money in the world. You gotta sign up to do freaking... You better change these guys so you make sure you're not checked in to do Uber Pet, so you're doing dog walking in between your rides.
I thought that it just meant like you accept animals in your car.
No, I think you gotta start doing dog walking. I think they're gonna start doing babysitting. You're babysitting people's pets for a couple hours. People gotta go to work,
yeah,
they drop your pet off at your house. Yeah.
In a few years, Uber is just gonna be the everything app.
Yeah, you gotta rent out your
scooter for babysitters, hire like dog walkers.
Yeah, babysitter. Oh, you gotta babysit this baby for an hour. It's like, bro, what? Oh my god. That would be freaking weird. Okay. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. So they're just expanding to Uber Pet. I don't know what that is, but yeah, go check that out if you want.